First time trying Apex and suddenly everybody's angry at you for grabbing their items? Welcome to Basics and Drop Etiquette Legends. Let's split this into the different kinds of drops. We have two kinds of drops, hot drops and normal or warm drops. Now, hot drops are marked by a glowing circle on the map. They're indicators of POIs with great loot spawn. That means a good number of teams are inclined to drop there. Hot drops are a team commitment. You have to commit to the Jumpmaster's decision of landing in a hot drop, or you risk letting your teammates die and ending up as a solo. Drop directly on your teammates. One pillbox away if you can. If there aren't enough guns for everybody, just grab one gun and leave another for your teammate to take. Now for warm drops. When your team has the entire POI to yourself, do not drop on your teammates. You want to keep a respectable distance of at least one or two buildings away. If you're sharing the POI with one other team, you don't want to drop too far. Otherwise, you risk not being able to assist your team when they get pushed by another team, or you risk being killed easily. Now, there's a different consideration when you're playing pubs. The rules stated above may or may not be applicable to pubs. Normally, pub games are filled with people who just want to get as much action as they can before dying. Majority of people will drop before the drop ship even reaches the halfway point. So if you want to get more gunfights in, you would want to do an early drop. If you wait for too long, most of the teams may already be dead by the time you meet your first team. So drop smart, land first, and own the fight. Now go get that win.